Welcome to the craft bar. I am back with another fun dangle haul. I had a blast making purse charms this Christmas with my mom. I was so inspired. I had, of course, some leftover materials, and I said, well, I can't just let them sit there. Let's buy more and make something new. And that is what I did. I created really fun giveaways for a group that I'm in. They are dangles, purse charms that dangle beaded pins, and then some of them have some beaded lanyards with some really cute focal beads. I'll show you what I made. You tell me if you've got a favorite. I made many with the pen, and they were all a patriotic theme. So this is the silicone and Uncle Sam, stars, just red, white, and blue. I really tried to keep red, white, and blue as much as I could. You know, red, white, and blue here. Because of the shapes of the stars, it ends up going blue, white, and red. But I'll make it pretty clear. I tried. Red, white, blue. Little bit. Anyway, this one pen is striped. Cute Uncle Sam. I had fun trying to make different combinations of these. The great part is to realize that you can intermatch the beads in different ways and let yourself sparkle and shine, right? There's a little bit of rhinestone to that one. Here it's just a crystal bead. I moved the letters apart. I didn't confine myself to just one design, and that was because the bead sets I ordered were a variety of beads. And, you know, variety is the spice of life. They all got different. This one is balloons that are for the Patriot themed. And again, lots of fun. I moved the Texas around to the top and the bottom. Some of them have plenty of give so they can really spin. They did come with, these are wood. So this pin set that I got came with the wood spinners, or these big wood focal beads, whereas these are that soft kind of, you know, rubbery, like a chew toy, plastic silicone. These beads as well. This is a wooden bead though. This kind of red, white, and blue, the flag. I had a great time. I can't think of any names for these. These are all I had when I made my dangles. I ended up having inspired by food items. Here they're all just happy patriotic, you know, starburst. I had one or two that I thought this is the fireworks set because of the bursts on them. This one is just stars, very clean. I really enjoyed how easy these came together. When I made the dangles, they required much more wire working, especially because I used so many small beads. For this project, I was looking to make in bulk and get a nice final project, and I think we did that. So again, all the pens were easy to get together. Ooh, I like this one. This one is glitzy. I think of this one as my Dallas girls. And if you know you're in Texas, Dallas, you got a little reputation, which is good, which is fine. We love it. Houston girls, you rock it. San Antonio, El Paso, Austin, Lubbock. I'm going to call them all out. But you can see, I don't know. I think of this one for Dallas because it is got a lot of sparkle in here. Got the glitz. And then that blue, you know, the Cowboys. They're up there. Maybe not in the rankings, but they're up in Dallas. This one is nice, silver. This might have been an Oilers pen back in the day. And if you know Texas, that big star is an important part of us. We are the Lone Star State. I love that big blue sparkle there. Let's see. Coming through, made a lot of pens, which is functional for an office, right? These are going to be raffled off. I'm giving them out in a place where it's all people who work for or in an office building. Look at the sparkle. I tried to match these up. So these are the reds, right? Here we got bigs and blues, blue and silver. Here I got a lot of sparkling on the red for that. Give some variety. Look at this one. Tell me that isn't a charmer. A leopard truck with red and blue fenders filled with fireworks. That's a truck off to start some fun, okay? This girl is off. She's going to get something going. She is in a plan. Little bit of sparkle. She says, yes, I know. I am ready to start it. Let's have fun. Gonna light the fuse for the fireworks with this red pin. So that may be my firecracker here. Here we have the white bead is turned a bit, but you can see it's got the starburst on it for the fireworks. We got a little bit of sparkle in there. I like the beads. They all came in a good variety. Like this is some white sparkle in there or white splatter in it. Here is a pink pin. So they did have pin pearlers and all, with 2 big pearl beads there. Here's another fireworks. Lots of excitement in this one. You got a burst, stars, fill in the sky. I don't know why I'm thinking of the Rangerettes. If you're from Texas, you're familiar with the Kilgore Rangerettes. Maybe so. Maybe it's the sparkle. Maybe it's the white. I'm thinking of the white boots. That's probably what it is. It's that white. I'm thinking of those tall white boots. Here's the last of the pens. Look at Uncle Sam holding the heart like an American Valentine's box. Except that we don't have real good chocolate here in America, sadly. We gotta get better. JPCA. Cute. There's the Texas under there. And this pen is with the full flag. So easy to decorate these. The 2 I made that were lanyards are here. And I actually had a whole set, but I've already raffled off 8 of these. And I will say I'm proud. They were a hit. The people who won them were pleased to have won. The lanyards surprised me. When I made these, I was worried that adding the beads to the lanyard would make it too heavy. But the quality of this lanyard is holding up pretty well. So even once I put, like an ID badge on it, even a key or 2, this is going to hold nice and steady and be nice and decorative. Will be easy to spot your lanyard. No, and if you lose it, I don't really, heaven forbid it ever falls off, but you'll know yours. And then I think of this one as the Ralph Lauren. When I made this nice navy and that red and that luscious gold, I think of this one as the fancy, debutante. Here I come. Ralph Lauren. I knew that was a big popular term this Christmas. Although I don't think it was popular. For some people, they loved it. Some people, it was getting hate. I don't care about either. It's just, I remember in the 90s when Ralph Lauren and Tommy Hilfiger were everywhere. So I immediately understood what they were going for when I heard that phrase. But that's an example of the lanyard. And the lanyards came in lots of colors. So here's one that was in black. A big, happy silver shiner at the end. This is one of those, it's got like texture on the bead. All right, so again, y'all, so much fun on these. Did I have a favorite in here? I like them all. Probably this one. She's gonna start some stuff. That leopard print fire truck, or fireworks truck, is just too cute. Too much fun here. I did like this one at the end. I kept thinking of this as kind of a boom. With the mace. Get back. You don't know me like that. Well, thanks for watching today. It was a fun happy hour to showcase these exciting charms and dangles. Yeah, these were a great project to make. If you're trying to make something in bulk, check these out as an easy craft, especially if you're new to beading, as I am very new to this type of project still. Me and my mom enjoyed ourselves. Have a great week. Like and subscribe. You can see projects like this every week. We showcase something fun on the happy hour. We try to drop videos at other points as well. All right, we'll see you again. Thanks for watching.